Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. We start with news on cricket as West Indies fast bowler Shannon Gabriel is eyeing a return to the international setup ahead of the team's tour of Sri Lanka later this year. Jeremy Brown reports.
Shannon Gabriel missed the West Indies' last Test series against Pakistan at Sabina Park after picking up an injury against South Africa in June. It has been the third injury setback for the 33-year-old in the last year, which has led to questions about his place in the team. Speaking in an exclusive interview with CNC3 Sports on Saturday, the Trinidadian says he is mystified as to the reasons for his continuous injury problems.
I wouldn't say it's a fitness issue because even the fittest of us get injured sometimes, but that's the way it goes sometimes. It is frustrating because you know you're doing everything that is possible to stay on the park and still these issues coming up, so it gets frustration at times.
Gabriel has returned to training in the last few weeks with the help of a personal trainer, and he's once again eyeing a place in the West Indies setup.
Actually, I was just taking a time off from everything. I had a few weeks off, just even the cricket I rest a little bit, just clear my mind. But now for the past 2 weeks I've been started back training, so it's been good so far.
And during his time off the field, Gabriel has had the opportunity to look at young sensation and fellow Trinidadian Jayden Seales, who might be the person to keep him out of the West Indies team following his recent performance against Pakistan.
It's really exciting for him, for West Indies cricket. I think he's someone special, and I hope he goes from strength to strength and they keep learning as he goes along. I know it's just 3 games that he played so far, but he's been impressive in 3 games, so at least he has something to work for. And you can see that he's hungry for success, so that's always a good sign.
Gabriel has so far taken 159 wickets in 55 tests for the West Indies.